I am Dr. Ramkrishna Ghosh. I am an associate professor of the Department of Information Technology of Haldia Institute of Technology. Today, our discussion is access specifiers in Java. I am delighted to have you here. If you like my content, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be genuinely grateful for your love and support. What are access specifiers? Access specifier means how the members in a class can be accessed. Access specifiers, also known as access modifiers, control the visibility of classes, methods, variables, and constructors. Constructor, special type of method. Access specifiers help implement encapsulation and data hiding. Encapsulation is one of the most striking features in Java in any object-oriented programming. The data and its corresponding functions are kept inside an object. The object here acts as a wrapper for data. It protects the data from unwantedly accessed by functions outside the object. It remains hidden and protected. So, access specifiers help encapsulation and data hiding. There are 4 types of access specifiers in Java: private, default, public, and protected. Access specifiers, same class. For private, it is accessible. Same package, it is not accessible. Subclass, it is also not accessible. Other package, not accessible. Default, accessible in the same class as well as in the same package. But in the subclass and other package, it is not accessible. Protected, accessible in the same class, same package, subclass. Cross, it is not accessible in other package, but there is a star. Star means accessible in other packages only through inheritance. Public, same class, same package, subclass, other package. Everywhere it is accessible. Private access specifier. Due to private access specifier, Java supports encapsulation and data hiding. Accessible only within the same class. Used for data hiding. It is the most restrictive access specifier. For example, class student, private int age equal to any age 30, public void show system.out.println age. Default and protected access specifiers. Default means no modifier is defined. Accessibility only within the same package. Class employee int id equal to 101. Default access specifier. Protected, accessible within the same package. Members in a superclass is inherited by its subclasses in different packages. Accessible in subclasses of other packages. The method protected void display system.out.println protected method. Example of protected access specifier. Public access specifier. Members in a class can be accessed from anywhere of the program, not in the class, not in the package. Same package. Accessible from anywhere. It is the least restrictive access specifier or not access modifier. Public class demo, public void message. system.out.println. Welcome. What are the advantages of this access specifiers? It supports encapsulation, whatever I have told earlier. Improve security, data hiding, prevents unauthorized access. It protects from getting unwantedly accessed by functions outside the objects. Enhances maintainability, promotes modular programming. Thank you. Let us call it a day. I will come back soon with update videos. Thank you so much again for watching this whole video. Please stay tuned.